In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to Facebook Marketplace Vertical Bar 2026 Vertical Bar step by step. First, open Facebook on your phone or your computer. If you're on mobile, make sure you're using the latest version of the app for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, head to Marketplace. On most phones, the Marketplace icon looks like a little storefront along the bottom row of icons. On desktop, you'll typically find Marketplace in the left sidebar. Opening Marketplace ensures you're in the right place to manage buying and selling tools. Next, go to your account settings. Tap or click your profile picture, choose Settings and Privacy, and then select Settings. This is where Facebook keeps your payment and security options. If the layout looks a bit different, that's okay. Designs can vary slightly between devices. You can use the search bar within Settings to quickly find what you need. Inside Settings, open MetaPay or Payments. The name you see may vary, but they both lead to Facebook's built-in payment hub. MetaPay is what Facebook uses to store your payment methods for things like Marketplace and shop purchases. Give the page a moment to load, especially if you haven't opened it in a while. From here, choose Add Payment Method. This is the button that lets you connect a new way to pay, and it's where you'll link PayPal. Be sure you're adding this to the correct Facebook profile you use for Marketplace. When prompted, select PayPal. Facebook will redirect you to a secure PayPal sign-in page. Log into your PayPal account and follow the prompts to approve the connection. You may be asked to confirm your identity, and that's normal. It keeps your account safe. Review the permissions so you understand how Facebook and PayPal will work together, then confirm to finish. After approval, you'll be brought back to Facebook, and you should see PayPal listed among your payment methods. That means the link was successful and you're ready to use PayPal for eligible Marketplace transactions. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or close and reopen the app to update the list. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see MetaPay or Payments in Settings, try using the search bar for Payments. If PayPal isn't showing as an option, it may be a regional limitation or a temporary issue. Updating the app often resolves this. Make sure your PayPal account is in good standing and verified to help prevent payment holds during sales. And that's it. You've added PayPal to Facebook Marketplace, and you're ready to buy or sell with more flexibility. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.